Do you hate walking into a room and feeling a cobweb brush across your face? There's nothing worse than seeing corners full of webs and wondering where the spiders are hiding. Imagine stepping into a fresh, cozy home where there's no sign of cobwebs, no unexpected surprises in dark corners, and everything smells clean and inviting. The best part is, you don't need chemical sprays or expensive pest control to make it happen. Nature has already given us the solution. Welcome back to Golden Hour's Garden, where we help you create a home and garden that feel like a peaceful retreat. If you're new here, I'm so happy you found us. If you've been part of our growing garden family for a while, thank you for being here and sharing your journey with us. Today, we're going to explore 7 incredible indoor plants that will help keep spiders away and give you a cobweb-free home naturally. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who could use a little help keeping their home fresh and pest-free. Plant number 1. Lavender. Lavender is one of the most beautiful and useful plants you can grow indoors, and it happens to be a natural spider repellent. Its strong floral scent might be relaxing to us, but spiders find it overwhelming and avoid it completely. This means that simply having lavender in your home can discourage spiders from spinning webs in your windowsills, corners, and ceilings. Lavender also has calming properties that help reduce stress and make your home smell like a peaceful retreat. It's a win-win because you're not just deterring spiders, you're improving your indoor atmosphere too. Growing lavender indoors is easier than many people think. All it needs is a sunny spot, like a south-facing window, and a pot with well-draining soil. Water sparingly because lavender prefers slightly dry conditions, and make sure the roots aren't sitting in water. Once your plant is thriving, you can clip a few stems, dry them, and tuck them into little sachets for your closet, drawers, or corners where spiders usually appear. This not only extends the plant's effect throughout your house but also fills your home with that soothing lavender aroma all day long. Plant number 2. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a bright, cheerful plant that smells like fresh lemons, and that citrusy scent is exactly what makes spiders stay far away. Just like lavender, its strong aroma overwhelms a spider's sensitive senses, making your home a less attractive place for them to spin their webs. The bonus is that lemon balm doesn't just keep spiders at bay, it adds a refreshing, clean smell to your space, which makes your kitchen, living room, or even bedroom feel fresh and inviting. It's also known for its calming properties, so growing it indoors creates a relaxing environment while quietly working as a natural pest control. Growing lemon balm indoors is simple, even for beginners. It thrives in partial sunlight, so a bright kitchen windowsill or a spot near a window where it gets a few hours of sun every day is perfect. The plant grows quickly, so pinch off the tips regularly to keep it bushy and encourage new leaves. Crushing a few fresh leaves releases even more of its lemony oils, which you can wipe along window frames, doorways, and corners where spiders usually sneak in. This not only helps keep your home spider-free, but also lets you enjoy that crisp lemon fragrance every time you pass by. Plant number 3. Peppermint. Peppermint is one of the strongest natural deterrents for spiders, and it works like magic. Its cool, sharp menthol aroma is refreshing for us but completely unpleasant for spiders, ants, and even mice. They rely heavily on their sense of smell to find food and safe hiding spots, and peppermint throws them off so much that they'd rather look for another place to settle. Having peppermint plants indoors not only keeps unwanted pests away, but also fills your home with a fresh, invigorating scent that makes every room feel clean and alive. Peppermint is also one of the easiest herbs to grow indoors, but it can spread quickly if not kept under control, so always grow it in its own pot. It loves moist soil and partial sunlight, making it a great choice for a windowsill in the kitchen or bathroom. Every few weeks, trim the plant to keep it healthy and prevent it from becoming leggy. Those trimmings can be used to make a simple natural spray. Just steep the peppermint leaves in water, strain it, and mist it along baseboards, under furniture, and near windows. This is a quick and inexpensive way to boost its spider-repelling power while giving your home a fresh, minty atmosphere. Plant number 4. Rosemary. Rosemary might be best known as a delicious culinary herb, but it's also a powerful ally when it comes to keeping spiders away. Its strong, woodsy aroma is something spiders simply can't stand, so placing a rosemary plant in your home creates a natural barrier they'd rather avoid. In addition to its pest-repelling abilities, rosemary also purifies the air and brings a fresh, invigorating scent to your living space. This means that as it works to discourage spiders, it also makes your home feel cleaner and more welcoming, and you'll have a steady supply of fresh rosemary for your favorite dishes. Rosemary grows best in bright light, so place it near a sunny window or somewhere it can soak up a few hours of direct sunlight each day. Keep the soil lightly moist but never soggy, as rosemary prefers well-draining conditions. You can snip a few sprigs every now and then and leave them near windowsills, on shelves, or in corners where spiders like to hide. The scent of freshly cut rosemary lingers for hours, making it an easy and effective way to create a spider-free zone indoors. Plus, every time you harvest a little, you're encouraging your plant to grow even more. Plant number 5. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is another powerful plant for keeping spiders out of your home, thanks to its distinctive, refreshing aroma. Its natural oils are so potent that they are often used in commercial insect repellents. Spiders dislike the strong, menthol-like scent and will avoid areas where eucalyptus is present. Growing eucalyptus indoors gives you a steady supply of fresh leaves that not only keep cobwebs away, but also make your home smell crisp and spa-like. The clean, cool fragrance is soothing for you, but sends spiders searching for a more comfortable place to hide. For indoor growing, choose a dwarf eucalyptus variety that can thrive in a pot. It loves bright light, so place it in a sunny window and keep the soil slightly moist but not waterlogged. As the plant grows, you can cut a few stems and hang them in small bundles around the house, in bathrooms, near windows, or in closets, to spread the fragrance throughout your space. You can even crush a few leaves to release more of their natural oils and wipe them on windowsills or baseboards for extra protection. This is an elegant way to make your home smell amazing while keeping it cobweb-free naturally. Plant number 6. Basil. Basil is a kitchen favorite for its incredible flavor, but it's also a natural way to keep spiders and other crawling insects away. Its strong, spicy aroma is pleasant to us but acts as a natural deterrent for pests, making your home less appealing to them. Just brushing against the plant or pinching off a few leaves releases its oils into the air, instantly boosting its spider-repelling effect. Having a pot of basil in your kitchen, living room, or even bedroom does more than deter spiders. It brings a lively green presence into your space and fills the room with a fresh, uplifting scent. Basil loves warmth and sunlight, so place it near a sunny window where it can soak up at least 6 hours of light every day. Water it regularly, but make sure the pot drains well to avoid soggy roots. To encourage the plant to keep producing new leaves, pinch off the top growth often. This not only helps your basil stay healthy and bushy, but also means you'll have a constant supply for cooking while releasing its powerful scent into the air. You can even dry some of the extra leaves and sprinkle them around windows or corners for extra spider protection. Plant number 7. Citronella, lemongrass. Citronella, also known as lemongrass, is famous for keeping mosquitoes away, but it works just as well against spiders. Its strong lemony scent disrupts the way spiders navigate and communicate, making them think twice about setting up webs anywhere near it. Having citronella in your home not only drives spiders away, but also leaves a refreshing, citrusy fragrance that makes the whole space feel lighter and cleaner. It's the perfect finishing touch to a natural, cobweb-free home environment. Growing citronella indoors is simple if you give it the right conditions. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and likes soil that stays consistently moist but never soggy. A large pot will allow it to grow into a beautiful, graceful clump that adds a nice decorative touch to any room. To boost its spider-repelling power, snip a few blades and gently crush them to release the oils, then rub them on windowsills, door frames, and dark corners. Not only does this keep spiders at bay, but it also gives your home an energizing citrus aroma every time you walk past. Now that you know which plants to grow, let's talk about how to make them work their hardest for you. Simply owning these plants is a great start, but placement and care are key if you really want a cobweb-free home. The first step is to be strategic with where you put them. Group your spider-repelling plants near the areas where you notice the most webs: windows, corners, doorways, and even in bathrooms where spiders like to hide in quiet spots. Placing them in clusters not only looks beautiful but also strengthens the effect of their combined scents, creating a natural shield that spiders are far less likely to cross. Make sure to keep your plants healthy and thriving so they continue to release those powerful scents. Healthy plants are more fragrant and more effective. Water them properly according to their needs. Remember, some like lavender prefer drier soil, while others like lemon balm and basil like it slightly moist. Rotate your pots every few weeks so each plant gets even sunlight and continues to grow full and strong. Trim them regularly, because clipping encourages new growth and keeps them from getting leggy. And don't forget to use those trimmings. Crushed leaves, small bundles, or even simple water-based sprays made from your plant clippings can be placed around the home to boost their spider-repelling power in specific problem areas. Another important tip is to keep up with cleaning and decluttering. Spiders love quiet, dusty corners where they won't be disturbed. By wiping down your baseboards, dusting corners, and vacuuming regularly, you make your home less inviting to them. Every time you clean, remove any webs you find so spiders don't keep coming back to the same spot. Combine that with your plant's natural aroma, and you create a space that is both visually clean and actively protected. Finally, you can take things one step further by making simple, natural spider sprays. Mix water with a few drops of essential oils from these same plants: lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, or citronella, and lightly mist it around your home. This gives you a double layer of protection, especially in hard-to-reach places. The more consistent you are with these habits, the less you'll see spiders and the fewer webs you'll have to clean up over time. And there you have it. 7 incredible plants that can help you say goodbye to cobwebs for good. These plants are more than just decorative. They work behind the scenes to create a space that spiders simply don't want to share with you. You'll not only enjoy a cleaner, calmer home, but you'll also have fresh herbs, soothing scents, and a touch of greenery that makes your space feel alive and inviting. There's something deeply satisfying about using nature's own solutions to solve a problem without relying on chemicals or expensive treatments. Imagine waking up in the morning, walking through your living room, and seeing bright, healthy plants instead of dusty webs in the corners. Imagine breathing in the fresh scent of lavender, peppermint, or lemon balm, instead of worrying about what might be lurking under the couch. By growing these plants, you're not just keeping spiders away, you're creating a healthier, happier home environment for yourself and your family. If you enjoyed this video and you're excited to start growing these plants, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to Golden Hours Garden, so you never miss our weekly tips on making your home and garden a peaceful retreat. Leave a comment below and tell us which plant you're planning to try first. Or share your own natural tricks for keeping spiders away. And if you have a friend or family member who's tired of battling cobwebs, send them this video so they can enjoy a fresh, spider-free home too. Together, we can all make our homes a little greener, a little cleaner, and a lot more comfortable.